Hey guys, big news. All right, I just want to let you know before the end of the year, I'm doing a last call for anybody who would like to sign up for the HSM Academy and lock in our community member pricing. Starting January 1st, we will no longer offer community memberships. We will only offer academy memberships. We're making a huge switch in how we do things. The name of our community is no longer going to be HSM Community, it's going to be HSM Academy. It's actually awesome because we started bringing our members in about a week or so ago, and they are doing fantastic. We have live Q&A sessions, live coaching sessions. We're going to be starting our monthly learning focus on December 31st and going into a brand new month of learning and working together to learn new concepts and reinforce things that are going to be very helpful for you going into the first of the year. So I would love for you to join us. And then come January 1st, the pricing is going to go up to $39.95 for a month and $97 for 3 months. So if you want to get a much better price, you have the opportunity right now to lock it in. And then on December 31st, we're switching the pricing. So just wanted to throw this out here. Any last minute people who wanted a good gift idea for themselves, this would be it. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.